Good morning, students. In today's class, we'll learn about the concept statistics for economics. You can see here, I have written part 2, statistics for economics. In that first chapter, with regard to introduction. In our previous class, I explained the first concept in economic, that was how was the Indian economy in the eve of independence. That first part is completely about the study of the economy of the India and the related activities of the economy. In part 2, you will study statistics for economics. So, you have to understand what is this statistics, why it is combined in the concept economics. It is very simple. In economic, we will study about the population, we will study about the poverty, we will study about the entire economy of India. So, to represent this information in a systematic way, by using the table, by using the number, we will make use one tool. That tool is known as statistics. In next video, I will explain in detail what is statistics. First, you just understand statistics is nothing but the numerical representation of the information is known as statistics. So, we use the statistics as a tool for the economics. That's why in part 2, we will study statistics for economics. So, first chapter is introduction. It explains what is economics and what is statistics, how the statistics is related to economics. First thing you need to understand what is economics. According to Alfred Marshall, he is the economist. He says economics is the study of man in the ordinary business of life. Alfred Marshall is saying it is the study of man. We will study about the man with regard to his daily activity is known as economics. So, the term economics can be divided as the various activities. You can see here consumer, producer, seller, employee, employer. This is about the man or a human being. So that's what they are saying. The study of man or human being about the daily activity is known as economics. So if you take first term consumer, he is a person who buys goods and services for the satisfaction of human wants. Nothing but a person who buy the goods or service for his satisfaction is known as consumer. For example, if I want to buy this marker, then I will buy this marker from the shop. Why? There is a need that I want the marker to write it on the board. So there was a need. To fulfill this need, I will buy the marker. Then I am known as a consumer. Consumer ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಗ್ರಾಹಕರು. ಯಾವ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಗೆ ಯಾವ ವಸ್ತು ಅಗತ್ಯ ಇರುತ್ತೋ ಆ ವಸ್ತುವನ್ನು ಅವನು ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಇಂದ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಅವನನ್ನು ನಾವೆಂತ ಕರಿತೇವೆ? ಕನ್ಸ್ಯೂಮರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕರಿತೇವೆ. The second term is producer. So, very simple. A person who produce the goods. ಯಾರು ಆ ವಸ್ತುಗಳನ್ನು ಉತ್ಪಾದಿಸ್ತಾರೋ ಅವನನ್ನು ನಾವೇನಂತ ಕರಿತೇವೆ? ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸರ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೇವೆ. Next, seller is nothing but a person one who sell the goods and services to make profit. ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಈ ಮಾರ್ಕರ್ ನಾನು ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಕನ್ಸ್ಯೂಮರ್. ಇದನ್ನು ನಾನು ಯಾರಿಂದ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ? ಶಾಪ್ ಕೀಪರ್ ಇಂದ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಅವನನ್ನು ನಾವು ಸೆಲ್ಲರ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೇವೆ. Why he sells? To make the profit, to earn his life. He is known as seller. Then employee, a person who works under someone for salary or wage. Employee ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಯಾರು? ಸಂಬಳಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಬೇರೆಯವರ ಆಫೀಸಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಸ್ಕೂಲಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಬೇರೆ ಅವರ ಹತ್ರ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಸಂಬಳಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ, ಅಂಥವ್ರನ್ನ ನಾವು ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯಿ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೇವೆ. ದೆನ್ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯರ್, ಅ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಹೂ ಪ್ರೊವೈಡ್ಸ್ ಜಾಬ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯಿ. ಈ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯಿಗೆ ಯಾರು ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಹೂ ಪ್ರೊವೈಡ್ಸ್ ಜಾಬ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯಿ ಫಾರ್ ಸ್ಯಾಲರಿ. Again, he will provide the job for a person for a salary. He is known as employer. ಈಗ ನನ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ, ನಾನು ಈ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಲೆಕ್ಚರರ್ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಐ ಆಮ್ ದ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯಿ. ನನಗೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಕೊಟ್ಟದ್ದು ಯಾರು? ಈ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್, ಮಹಾದೇವ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಅವರನ್ನು ನಾವು ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯರ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೇವೆ. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್? ಓಕೆ. ವೆನ್ ಆಲ್ ದೀಸ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ will explain the definition of economics, that is nothing but study of man about his daily activities. He will become the consumer, producer, seller, employee and employer. So these activities togetherly we call as economic activities. The study of man with regard to the economic activities is known as economics. Okay, so economic activity, that is nothing but the activities that are undertaken for a monetary gain. Economic activities, ಆರ್ಥಿಕ ಚಟುವಟಿಕೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ಯಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸ್ ನಾವು ಮಾನಿಟರಿ ಗೇನಿಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೋ. ಮಾನಿಟರಿ ಗೇನ್ ಇಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಮನಿ. Okay, so the money, or we will represent in terms of money, that is known as monetary gain. So the study of all the economic activities is known as economics, and to represent these activities in terms of numbers, okay, or in terms of table, we will use the statistics. That's why we will learn in our economics, that is under part 2, statistics for economics. So this is about the introduction of economics. Okay, I was explaining the economic activities. So according to the economics, the study of human being with related to his daily activities is known as economics, and economics is subdivided as the consumer, producer, seller, employee, employer. Correct, no? So this is about the study of human being in related to his daily activity is known as economics, and those activities are called as economic activity. And I told economic activity is an activity which is done for the monetary gain, means to get the money or some profit. So for the monetary benefit, monetary benefit is nothing but it is represented in terms of money. So now money annu represent ಮಾಡಿ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು activities ಅನ್ನು ಕಂಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದರಿಂದ ನಾವು ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಪಡಿತೇವೆ. ಅಂತ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿಯನ್ನು ನಾವು economic activity ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೇವೆ. Okay, you can see here there are major 3 types of economic activities. First one is consumption. So what it is? It is the use of goods and services by the person. I told who is a consumer when you buy the goods or services. When you use that particular goods and services for the household purpose or maybe for any of the personal purposes, that is known as consumption. Okay, the consumer, okay, when you want to buy the product, he decides what to buy when he knows the price. I gave the example of the marker. If I want to buy the marker, I buy. There is a need, so I am the consumer. I know what is the price of this marker. ಈ ಮಾರ್ಕರ್ ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಹಣ ಅಂತ ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತುಂಟು. ಆವಾಗ ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಮಾರ್ಕರ್ ಅನ್ನು ಬೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ. So when the consumer knows the price, he will buy that product and he use that product for his household or personal purpose. The study entirely known as consumption. Next, it is production. Okay, what is this production? It's nothing but the process of producing the goods or services. For example, if I want to use the pen, it should be produced. This is known as production. So you can understand, it is the process of combining. We will combine the various material and immaterial inputs in order to make something for consumption. I told, being a consumer, I'll buy the marker. Okay? To buy this marker, ಈ marker ನಾನು buy ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಇದು produce ಆಗಬೇಕು. So, we will produce something for the consumption. Okay? The process of combining all the material and immaterial. ಈ ಒಂದು ಪೆನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಕಾದಂತಹ raw material ಮತ್ತೆ ಈ ಪೆನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಕಾದಂತಹ labor, material and immaterial thing, and we will prepare the product for the consumption. This is known as production. Next, distribution. Now the marker is ready. It has to be distributed for the consumer. Once a vastu ready ಆದ ನಂತರ ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಆಗ ಮಾತ್ರ ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಜಾಗಗಳಿಗೆ, ಅಂತ ಜನರಿಗೆ ಆ ವಸ್ತುಗಳು ಹೋಗಿ ತಲುಪುತ್ತೆ. So that process is known as distribution. You can understand, it is the way or a method. The total output, here you can say output is marker or income or wealth, maybe the output, income or wealth, when it is distributed among the individuals, okay, or among the factors of production. Factors of production, ಈ ವಸ್ತುವನ್ನು ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಮಗೆ ಲೇಬರ್ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇದೆ. There is a need of labor, land and capital. Okay, I can say this is a final output. To produce this, I want the labor to run the machinery. Then we want the land. Why? To start the factory. And we need the capital, nothing but the money. So, when we distribute the output or income or wealth among the individual or among the factors of production is known as distribution. This whole process is known as economic activity. The study of human being about this economic activity is known as economics, and we represent the economic or an information in a form of numbers or data or fact, that is known as statistics. So in this chapter we will study